In the next couple seconds, I'm going to show you how to take your InterNACHI certification to the next level and get free inspection job leads generated by InterNACHI. Go to any NACHI.org page, NACHI.org, top right corner, log into your dashboard. On the left-hand side, scroll down to Certification. There you'll find the 6 steps to attain InterNACHI certification. And once you're certified, you can use that CPI logo. Just click the button to get the logos, scroll down the next page, and there's the CPI logo. Now you want to take that logo into your business card, your flyers, your brochures, any of your marketing. And where do you get marketing that's professionally designed? InterNACHI's marketing team at nachi.org/marketing. They'll design everything for you, and the design work is free. All you do is place a print order. And they'll also design a new inspection business logo for you, customized to your business. And then you take that new business logo and update your InterNACHI profile. Go back to nachi.org, top right corner, log into your dashboard. On the left-hand side, scroll down to Profile and Settings, click Company Logo, and there you'll update your profile with the inspection business logo that was designed by InterNACHI's marketing team for free. Now you take that new logo and update your profile, scroll down to your company name, you enter your company name right here, and your website address. This is really important. InterNACHI needs your new website address. InterNACHI collects all of the people searching for a certified home inspector in your zip code, and we direct them to your website. So right here, you need a website address. Where do you get a website? Go to nachi.org/website. And FastSite for you is InterNACHI's official vendor for inspector websites. That's nachi.org/website. So in summary, log into your dashboard, click Certified, get certified, download the certification logo, go to InterNACHI's marketing team, get a customized logo for your business design, update your profile, and then enter your website address into your profile. Where do you get a logo? nachi.org/marketing. Where do you get a website? nachi.org/website. And that's your quick tip on getting your certification and your logos to generate free inspection business for you.